friendos, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are saying goodbye forever to Boxycharm Premium. Now, most of you know Boxycharm and Ipsy are now one conjoined unit. Things are going to be very different in the future. So this is the very last Boxycharm Premium that I'll ever receive. Now, with that said, I did forget to make any customizations to my box this month, so they're probably just sending me out a whole bunch of crap. I did open this up. I don't remember anything that was in there because I'm working on like 3 hours sleep. I do know that there's a palette in there, and we will be doing an eye look with it there at the end. And don't forget, I have that giveaway going on, so make sure you're subscribed and be listening with your antenna ears for that secret word hidden somewhere in the video. Okay, friendos, if you are ready for it, then just stay tuned. Now, just before we get into this last box, I do want to give you guys a sincere thank you from myself and my team for all of you who have participated in our giveaway contest so far. I got to hear a lot of your opinions and experiences with different products, and I really have been enjoying reading everything that you guys have to say. I know it can be a little bit daunting if you are an introvert like myself. I know sometimes it takes a little bit of an incentive to leave a comment on someone's video, but I do appreciate that support, and you all seem like great people, so thank you guys once again. Okay, so let's get into this. So first thing out of the box, we have La Palette Beauty Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser. Okay, so this is a one-step cleanser that helps to make your skin shine and glow by delivering vitality and energy to the tired skin with Philanthus amblica extract and pure vitamin C. Wow. I do like the packaging on this. Don't you guys think that that's pretty? And it's got 88% moisturizing essence ingredients. This is made in Korea. I'm a fan of Korean skincare in general, so this is likely to be very good. Let's see if we can get it open though. I'm curious to see if it has a smell. It's got lemons on it, so I'm kind of hoping it smells like lemons. Ooh, very, very yellow. That'll brighten up your Sunday. Yeah, it does smell like lemon. So then from Murad, we have the Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. I've heard a lot of nice things about this. This is definitely something good to have in the box. I'm sure this was expensive. Ooh, very nice packaging. Look at that. Beautiful green gradient. You guys know I love my greens. It's gonna be like my favorite stay, like yellow, blue, and green. And this is made in the USA. I always like to hear that. Okay, this is definitely going in a giveaway because someone's going to enjoy this way more than I will. This is a Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint from Ciate London. I've had really good luck with Ciate London products. However, glossy, cheeky stuff just does not suit me. I have pores. I don't want anything to draw attention to said pores, so someone else I'm sure will enjoy this much more than I will. So it says here, keep cheeks luminous with Ciate London's Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint. This is like so reflective, I could barely read it. The gel balm tint applies smoothly and evenly for a soft hint of color. Blending effortlessly for a soft focused finish, this tint adds a dewy, glass-like sheen for a healthy flush of color. And color is spelled with a U. Is this made in... Ah, it's made in Italy. Nice. Okay, so saving this one for a giveaway. If a dewy glow is your thing, be on the lookout for that. All right, now we have something from the NewCo. This is the Super Thick Scalp Serum for hair density. Hair density and scalp health. Then we have something called Mango Luna Magic Cherry Hydrating Lip Balm. Are we gonna get 2 lip balms in here? 1? I'm confused. Yeah, it's 2. This looks cheap AF. Of course, it's made in China. This is... It's like something from Claire's. It does look like something from Claire's. Not impressed. Let's see if it has a smell. Okay, this is all you. It has a little bit of a smell, but it's not like... Okay, lastly, we have this palette right here. And I actually didn't check to make sure that this is an eyeshadow palette, but I think it is. Okay, we have... Best Dress Lids, Neutrals and Bolds, 14 Matte and Shimmer Shadows from Mally. Oh, it's made in China. Yay. Okay, for all of you newbies, I just want to clarify this. I'm not a big fan of companies making their products in China. There's currently a genocide of religious people in China perpetrated by the Chinese government. Anytime you buy something that is made in China, some of that money goes towards the Chinese government, actually a big chunk of it. So I know that in America, it's practically impossible to get everything that you need not made in China, but especially when it comes to makeup. So no judgment if you want to buy your products in China. I personally try not to. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. Ooh, it does look like ABH, doesn't it? The Nouveau palette. You know what? I think we're gonna see something a little bit different. But if you see that palette, it's a gray one. We'll do a comparison. Oh, Polybog, I think you were on par. Look at that, guys. No es exacto, pero es muy similar. Which one came out first? That's what I want to know. So now comes the fun part where I start putting this on my eyes. This thing was super neutral. I was actually hoping to get a bit more color out of this. Yo, I'm kind of bored to tears looking at this. I don't mind a neutral palette, but this is just, someone was scared. Okay, there's lots of sounds. Okay, we're gonna start out with Charity Gala. There we go. This is going all over my lid, up and above my crease. So friendos, tell me, has it been a fun weekend for you guys? Let me know what you've been up to. If you've done anything fun or if you just have been enjoying yourself, relaxing at home. This pink is more of a brown. Like it looks kind of mauvey pink right here, but yeah, she brown. I'm always curious about how palettes like this get made. Like who greenlights this? I feel like I already own these colors like 1,000 times over. But then again, I do collect makeup. So maybe there's a lot of people out there that don't have these shades that are very committed to this company. And so they'll buy from them. What do you think? You guys sound off. Tell me your opinion. Why do these palettes get made? Such boring color story. Okay, so next I think I'll go in with the only shade that I feel looks even remarkably fun, and it's this kind of teal black, and it just looks boring on the eye. Okay, friendos, we are gonna do something a little bit different, I think. Let me get this down. There's something that I did get in a recent Boxycharm that I want to try on for you guys, so maybe we'll do that instead. And I'm sure we're speeding through this, but just know it's taking me a while to get this blended out. It's not very high quality. So guys, yesterday we had a super fun pickle party downstairs, and that is the only thing that's popping in my mind right now. So that's going to be our secret word of the day. It's pickle, P-I-C-K-L-E. Put that in the comment section down below if you are looking to win that contest. Okay, pickle party. All right, so I got this Tres Luce Amethyst Forever Brillante. I think this is just a liquid eyeshadow. I say we try this out. Okay, cool. This actually looks cool. And it's supposed to be duochromatic, so there's like green and purple. So far this looks cool. It does kind of look like it wants to crease. So I'm gonna try to just sit there for a second and let it dry down in hopes that doesn't happen. I had a Psychedelic Circus nearby. Let's pull out a shade from here to do underneath the eye. Let's see, my background here is orange. We do have an orange. Okay, we're doing that. Going into Nature Escape. Can I just say, like, just doing this color combo where it's just a little bit more punchy puts me in a much, much better mood. Are you guys like that too? Does your makeup kind of set your mood for the day? All right, my friendos, so I'm gonna pop off camera to do my liner and lashes, and I will be right back to you. All right, my dudes, I am back. So I did a little bit more of the orange up here, and then I went in with a shade that was very similar that's in the Jeffree Star Alien palette to kind of patch up what was on my eye because it was starting to look really patchy and weird. I'm talking about that teal black shade. So I do have this gel eyeliner because I want to keep this fun. This is from Lovecraft Beauty, and we're going to give it a go in my waterline. Not that much is coming off. I'm going to try wiping it down and then retrying it because it may have just gotten dried out. This is my first time trying it out too, by the way. Yeah, I think we're getting somewhere. All right, I think we just got what we wanted. That was so fun. Now I'm gonna go in with my Makeup by Mario blush. I believe this is Soft Mauve, Mellow Mauve. Just giving my cheeks some extra color. I also have a new perfume for us to try out together. This is Gucci Guilty, and this is in their Intense formulation. So this came in a little Sephora packet. You guys know I love testing out perfumes. So the scent notes here are Mandora, Liang Liang, and Patchouli. The initial opening is very masculine. I definitely smell manly right now, so we'll give that a few minutes to see if maybe it changes up on us. All right, so now from ColourPop, I'm going in with the shade Good and Plenty. All right, and then Cur Royale from Boxycharm. This is their full-on lip cream. My filler has finally started to dissolve, so I feel more comfortable reaching for these now. I haven't shown these for like 6 months on my channel because after I got my lips filled, I felt like these just made my lips too big. All right, so about that perfume, it does smell slightly more feminine now, but it still smells really masculine to me. Just overall, I would expect this on a man, not a woman. Okay, so what can I use that will pair well, but maybe make this a little bit more tolerable? All right, so my little sister got me L'Eau de Issy from Issey Miyake for my birthday. Big fan of this. I've owned it before, but I was out. This is very fresh, very floral, very feminine. Yes, okay. Now I feel more like myself. All right, friendos, today we had some hits and misses. Let me know what you think of what I got in my box. Personally, I think it was a little bit on the mediocre side, but in fairness, I did neglect to choose any customizations whatsoever. I'm really looking forward to see what this next chapter brings us for the pairing of Ipsy and Boxycharm. So we'll have to unbox our first box together as a family. And now, friendos, I must bid you all adieu. I've got to run out and pay off my grandma's bookie before she gets in real trouble. I wish you all a marvelous rest of your weekend. Be sure to give this video a like if you did have a good time today. Subscribe if you have not done so already, because if not, we'll both have to live in the sorrow of never knowing what could have been. All right, guys, have a great one. Bye.